why don't you just go to LinkedIn? If you're a college student trying to land a job by graduation or an internship for the summer, I am absolutely sure you've heard that exact phrase. But those same people never tell you who to follow on LinkedIn or where to start. That ends today. Let's talk about the 10 LinkedIn profiles you need to follow in 2025 if you're in college or a recent grad. Because what's standing between you and that dream job or internship is finding and applying to that opportunity as soon as it is posted. And these 10 people post opportunities like that across all majors every single day. New to my channel? Hi, I'm Jerica, and I absolutely love helping first and second generation college students succeed in college. So grab your coffee or your tea, and I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. So this is my top 10 list, but if you're interested in a top 20 list of LinkedIn people that you need to be following, if you're a college student and you're trying to get a job or you're an early career professional, you can check out that list down below. To make this countdown video very interesting, I am going to see if I can do it in under 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pull up my phone and I'm gonna put the timer in for 4 minutes. Let's start the clock. The first one is Colin Rocker. Colin Rocker is a career coach and first gen graduate, which we love, right? Why do you need to be following him? He posts a ton of great early career content that is perfect for beginners who are trying to land internships, jobs, and just like start off in the workforce. His bonuses, if you click here, include an awesome resource and template list. And then he has a newsletter, which I can say I receive, and I think the updates there would be really helpful for you as an early career or a student that's in college trying to find jobs or internships. Okay, next one. Lasse Palomaki is a great LinkedIn profile to follow because he helps college students turn their degrees into offers. He posts a ton of actionable advice for how to get employed by graduation and find internships. He's also a lecturer, which I so much resonate with, fellow teacher, right? Which means he is around students and knows their needs. And so when you look at his feed, you're gonna be like, oh man, yeah, I needed to hear that. I mean, just check this one out, right? It's just really awesome. His bonuses include something called the Strategic Student, which is happening spring of 2025. And the plan for this is to help students turn their degrees into offers even more. Next is Taylor Falls. Why does she need to be on your feed? Well, what I love about Taylor is that she posts early career content weekly. I mean, just look at the opportunity she reposts. It's like this all the time. Her bonuses include a podcast called Care to Elaborate that has episodes about early career advice and how to navigate LinkedIn. Number 7, Jaylyn Jones. Jaylyn Jones is the university recruiter you need on your feed. You need to be following her because she posts so much amazing information about how can you stand out to recruiters. She would know because she is one, right? Take a look at this post right here. She talks about the best time to apply if you're in college. So just do yourself a favor and go follow Jaylyn. Jaylyn doesn't have a bonus, but I feel like I would love all of her insights in a newsletter. So if you make one, Jaylyn, please let me know. I will sign up. I will be the first person to sign up. Okay, we got a minute. Let me see if I can do this. Next is Arlina Yang. Why do you need her on your feed? She posts early career content opportunities all the time and other career resources. And what I want to point out to you guys is her amazing bonus. She has a newsletter job board called Career Now, and Career Now is an early career student newsletter that shares internship opportunities, industry news, career resources, and so much more. Number 5 is Kevin Shim. Kevin Shim, if you're watching this, do you sleep? Because this is a person you need on your timeline. He is always, and I mean always, posting amazing job and internship opportunities on his feed. And they are so well thought out, it's just perfect. His bonus is something called Simplify, which is a platform to search for jobs. I've checked it out and it has some awesome options. Number 4 is Skyler Basco. Skyler Basco is a content creator. She is a Microsoft product manager and a 3-time Microsoft intern with over 85,000 followers and 10 million views. And while that is really awesome, what I want you guys to pay attention to and why she's on this list is because she got all of these opportunities and she didn't attend an Ivy. And I feel like a lot of us have a ton of imposter syndrome of like, hey, can I apply to these opportunities if I don't attend an Ivy? And she's like, yeah, let me show you how. So she posts not only amazing content, amazing opportunities on her feed, she also has some awesome freebies. So you want to go check out her YouTube channel, which has early career resources as well. Okay, number 3 is our only tie on this list because both of them are just powerhouses. And I honestly, guys, was like, I'm not sure who I should be picking. First, we have Manny Duenas. He's a university recruiter and is, okay, as you can see, guys, I didn't make it, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep going. Manny Duenas, he's a university recruiter and is the person you need to have on your feed. Why? Because he's a collaborator. If you have him on your feed, you're gonna be introduced to so many amazing people that are posting job and internship opportunities and early career advice. It's a no-brainer. Please add Manny. He took this passion for collaboration and created something called Internship, which just crossed 3,000 followers, so yay. And it's a place for young tech minds to gather. And I feel like I keep saying this, but just go and follow Manny. On the other part of this tie is someone that you probably have heard of before. Her name is Morgan Young. Morgan Young is a LinkedIn top voice. She's a founder of That LinkedIn Girl and is an instructor for LinkedIn Learning, which I feel is cool. Again, another fellow teacher, right? Why should you be following her? Okay, so she shares a ton of information about jobs and internships on her feed, but she also does something cool where she gives away tickets sometimes to some early career opportunities around the United States. Number 2, I hope you guys have been getting some great people to follow. When I talk to college students and teaching and doing workshops, they don't know about these people, so this is really awesome. Number 2 is Benliyan. He's someone you need to follow today, right? Why? Because he posts really awesome job opportunities, especially in software engineering each week. And then his bonus is what I really want to focus everybody to look at. It's called Joba, which allows you to create your resume for free. And I just saw a post the other day. He was talking about like how to get it on one page. Like Joba does a whole bunch of stuff. So I would definitely check it out if you're needing help with that and you don't have the funds, right? Because not all of us have money, right? And then he also has a YouTube channel. So I would check out that YouTube channel. It has a ton of information about jobs and internships and how to apply and what to think about when you're trying to do that. We have made it, guys, to number 1. I don't even care. I'm over time. I'm about to introduce you to the queen of all of this, the person that you need to follow every single time. If you're about to start out on LinkedIn as a college student, early career professional, and you're like, I want my feed to have tons of job and internship opportunities, you need to follow the Jade Walters. She has so many followers on LinkedIn, guys. She posts constantly. I feel like she's like Kevin, where she doesn't sleep. She's finding and sharing, compiling awesome job and internship opportunities across all majors. Her bonuses, so not only do you get that, but her bonuses is a really cool newsletter called The Ninth Semester, and it sends opportunities and so much more directly to your inbox often. And then she has a YouTube channel, which I would encourage you guys to check out. Whew, guys. That was a list. I feel like I was talking like 1,000 miles an hour. There are so many more people that I didn't get to because it was top 10, right? And if you're interested in the top 20 people you need to be following, I would check out the link below and you will have that list ASAP. As always, the world needs who you were made to be, and I'll see you guys on the next video.